right back. I hear another recorder. Jesus! Oh, come on, why couldn't that have happened like 20 seconds ago in the other video? Oh my god. I didn't even see him. Oh god. Go away. I found a third tape, guys. Oh. His voice doesn't help. And my flashlight's dying. So I'm gonna shut it off. Last time I did this, I ended up dying. I'm terrified. Exactly that. And I ended up dying. Yep. Time to go. What? I don't like you. Oh. 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 I heard another tape. He's still there. Don't worry, Mr. Monster. You get that side of the museum, and I'll take this corner right here. I'm gonna take this corner. There we go. Sucker. I'm not taking it. Okay. Oh, I don't want that corner. Oh my god, he's still there. Just leave my tickled intestines alone. Why are you still there? Go. Run. 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 Come on. You can run more than a room. You are probably not American. Okay, he's gone. Up. 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 I hear a tape. Found it. And those green statue things are now showing up. And I hear a bell. Okay, so 4 more? 4. Oh, da da ha. Oh, he's back there. Oh, he's gone. Oh no, he's right in front of me. I watched you. You slut. That's what you are. You are a dirty whore. Yeah, I'm calling you a dirty whore. What are you gonna do about it? You're probably gonna rape me. Eh. Yeah, he always comes up from behind. See? And I'm a guy. I honestly don't even care if I finish this game or not. Man, I really have to go to the bathroom. Shut up. Just... I can't go that way now. Maybe if I run past him? He's not even there anymore. He's behind me! I knew it. It's still creepy. Oh! Oh, why are you there? Go away! Sorry, I keep looking at the camera. I need to know if I'm still recording or not. I don't like this. My flashlight keeps dying. Giant heads again! I hear other people coughing. Oh! Oh. Screams 2 replay. What is replay? Does it show you where you... Oh, it shows you where you went. It looks like a penis. I'm guessing the puzzle pieces are exclamation points. Or no, the puzzle pieces are the recorders, and then the exclamation points are every time you've seen him. Yeah, 'cause I only got... And then there's a Kapalau thing, and where you died. Oh, I was gonna show you my thing. That's it for this one. Oh wow, 2 full videos. I have no clue what I'm gonna be doing next. Hopefully not this game. I really don't like it, but it's really fun. Like, I keep coming back to it. I'm gonna get the $20 and buy Slender. I think it's Slender the Arrival. And I'll do that because Slender was the first game I ever, like, horror game I ever played. I've also played Amnesia and stuff. Outlast. I played Outlast at my cousin's and I scared everyone. So, that's it. I'm gonna end this video right now. Bye.